look at all of it.
Okay, Mom.
Well, go ahead. Don't throw it inside the garage. Go out that way.
Hey, Mama, you come out here?
Yes, I'm coming out there.
Will you come out here with me right now? And help me make a snowball?
In a minute. I can't record you and make a snowball. Look at me.
Ow. This is deep snow.
I know it's deep snow.
Want to go in Henry's yard?
No, you got your own yard to play in. Look at all that snow.
Henry's yard.
Wow, sis.
He got some lovely snow in his yard.
Everybody does.
Huh. Yeah. Henry got deep snow. Hey, Mom, want me to make a snow angel?
Sure.
But first, I had to do something.
You're gonna, you know what, I would wait just a little bit. Let's build a snowman first.
Oh, a snowman? Help me.
If the snow's not too powdery, well, let me turn this off. Say bye.
Bye.
Say I love you.
I love you.